What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min. I have been doing nails for 15 plus years and I have built my own business, and my goal is to share with you all my knowledge, all my experience to help you grow as a nail technician in your career. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can get notification on my updated content. So today, y'all, I want to talk to y'all about using the electric file, or you can call it the e-file. As beginners nail tech, we all know using the electric file is no joke. It is hard, it is scary, and you can cut somebody and make them bleed. Even the clients are scared of the e-file. But you have to prove to them that you're so good at it. You as a nail tech knows how to control the e-file perfectly. And if you don't know how to, you are in for some good treat, because I'm gonna show you how to do it. How to make that e-file perfectly on the nail so the shape can come out beautiful, the flushing of the cuticle is clean, you create no lift on the nails, and the clients are not afraid of you using it. By the end of this video, I hope that you will be an expert. Let's get it. So this client right here, y'all, after I do the application, I go in with the e-file. But before I talk about the e-file, I want to talk about how I'm holding her hand. That's very important, y'all. How you hold her hands, you see how my thumb and my index finger and my middle finger is kind of holding the middle of her finger. That's a lot of fingers, I just say. But what I'm doing is that I am using her finger to move up, down, left, right. And you can also tell that how she's placing her hand on my hand. By doing that, she is relaxed, okay? You want the clients to be relaxed, not tense during this part, okay? Also, as I am maneuvering her fingers as with the e-file running, okay, at maximum speed. Now, you see how I'm using the e-file as I'm holding like I'm holding a pen. I'm holding that e-file, I'm holding a pen, but my pinky and my ring finger is touching the other two ring finger and pinky. Why am I touching that? For stability, okay? There's no way you can actually hold the e-file stability without touching anything, okay? Our hands doesn't work like that. So now, what you do is you place the client's hand on your hand, you hold their finger, and you have your pinky and your ring finger touching the other hand for stability. And that is how you're holding it, y'all, okay? That is how you hold the client's hand and stability. Now, when it comes to the e-file, the purpose of the e-file is to flush your cuticle, to smooth out the surface of your nails, and really to edge the shape, okay? Now, what do I mean by edging the shape? When it comes to cleaning the shape and you want that shape to be straight, y'all be using the hand file all days and you still don't see that to be straight because y'all missing one ingredient. Y'all gotta go in with the e-file. That e-file is at maximum speed, and you just gotta cut a perfect line, y'all, right on the side of the nail to get that line straight. And once you cut that line, you're gonna go in with the cuticle, okay? But when you are using the e-file, do not go in one straight line of the cuticle. You definitely will burn them or cut them. The way I am using the e-file is that I am tap, 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 let go, tap, let go, tap, let go, okay? But if you just put the drill and you just lay it there for a long time, it's gonna create some traction, it's gonna burn the client, and you're gonna be very uncomfortable after that. Remember, tap, tap, let go. Tap, tap, let go, okay? That is how you control the e-file, okay? And when you go around the cuticle, same thing. You gotta go a little bit by, it's like you're sketching. Imagine like you're sketching, y'all. That is how you do around the cuticle, okay? And also make sure you use the e-file at your comfortable speed, but I like to use mine on max speed because I feel like a maximum speed give you a smooth touch, because I use my e-file like a knife where I am making the form of the nail perfectly and nice and crisp. And make sure you clean the bottom of the nail so that it doesn't give you any lingering acrylic under there. Don't do that to yourself. It looks ugly. After you use the e-file, you should start seeing the shape of the nails, y'all. It should look really nice and crisp. It should look clean. It's gonna prevent you from lifting, and that's why the e-file is so important, y'all. I cannot elaborate how important. Look how beautiful it looks on her nails. Look how nice it is. You can do the same thing, okay? 3 things. Hold the hand correctly, stabilize your hand, and control the e-file, okay? I know you can do it. I trust you, and look, if I can do it, y'all can do it. And if y'all want more of this fun content, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on the notification so you can get an update on my latest videos. See y'all next time.